Hello, my friends. How are you? How are you feeling? Huh? What the weather? Huh? Look at this. Huh? Summertime, yeah. No? Have news? Good news? Look at this. This is the Yaris. Yaris, yeah. Beautiful black Yaris, yeah. Yeah, look at this, like this, yeah. You see? Yeah. What is this? Opa, Semi-Automatic MMT. 6-speed transmission. 6-speed. Look at this, look. Yaris 6-speed transmission. And very rare situation. You will never meet this situation. And if you will meet this situation, you will not resolve it. Now I will describe why. Yeah. So what the story about the car? The car drive, okay. Drive. First of all, it has no trouble code. No trouble code. No in gearbox, no in engine. And you drive, day, 2 days, 3 days. Up, neutral flashing, red light, not light on. No red light. Just neutral flashing, car stop to drive. No any trouble codes with engine, no nothing. What you need to do, you need to switch off, wait for 10 seconds, that the car will sleep. Like circle, drive circle will stop, then you turn on again, start the car, drive normal. And it can happen few times per day. Maybe no once in few days, no once in 3 days. And what to do? He come to me, let's check. I'm checking. No trouble codes. No in gearbox, no in engine, nothing, clear, no problem. Okay, he said, try you. I'm trying, I drive 2 days, excellent. No problem, no. And this is what you need to know. Don't touch the car if you have no trouble code. You can make another problem, but the problem before, it was still in the problem, and you will have another problem. So this car doing diagnostic very diagnostic themselves very good. So, and we doing like this 2 weeks, or maybe a little more, 2 weeks. I drive, he drive, I drive, he drive, he go home, back. He has problem because he drive 3-4 days, he has sometime problem. Turn off ignition, turn on, start again, come to me, please drive, I'm driving, no problem. I say, take it back. He say, maybe clutch actuator, computer. I said, no, we don't touching nothing until we will have some trouble code. And we have it! Yes, we got it. We're waiting for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I not touched nothing. I just checked for codes. And now I have the code. And now I know what is the problem. No, I think I'm not resolved it yet. But I have the first trouble code. And this is the problem with this car. You drive normally, you can start. Change the clutch actuator, gearbox computer, blah. And by the end, if you will do it like this, the car will go to the scrapyard. But now I not touched nothing. I just waited for the trouble code. And now I will show you what is the trouble code and what is the problem with this car. So now I will turn on ignition and will show you the code. But just once again, the car was drove no problem, only one problem, but without trouble code. No trouble code. Once, twice, 3 times, 20 times, no code. It stopped, neutral blinking, no red light, and no any code. And I not did nothing. I just waited for the code. And now I will show what the problem with the car. You know what? Don't touch nothing until you have the trouble code. Don't touch. Yes, again. Okay, so let's turn on ignition. And the red light is off, you see? But the ABS, VSC, not light off, because this is the problem of the car. The car has problem with ABS. Now I will show you the number of trouble code and we'll little describe how it happens. So let's connect. And I'm checking for trouble codes. Engine, transmission, ABS. Opa, you see? This number and this number. And what it mean? No learned blah 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 some yes. This number and this one. No communication, circuit malfunction. Let's go. I will show you something. Let's see. One guy described about problem in his Toyota Avensis. You see? Blah, 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 blah. And what he did? He changed the ABS. You see how it built? He changed full ABS. The ABS was broken. So, and it's not possible to erase the code. It was no possible to erase the code. And now also no possible. So what we have malfunction of ABS module. Because, and the gearbox, engine and ABS working together. And if ABS not working, the gearbox also not working. And how it happens, you see, it's malfunction inside the ABS, some with processor, some with these legs. You saw how it built. It's very, no, it can be broken, yeah. And this ABS built by ATE company. And a lot of cars has problem with ATE models of ABS. And Toyota also. So what I think, how it happens, why it was no trouble code. Like it drove, and for very small moment, it was malfunction inside ABS. Like maybe it makes some problem to connection or other, and gearbox stop working for a moment. Book. And you need to turn off ignition, like stop of the drive cycle. The car sleep, you start again, and no problem. It was problem only for small, very short moment. Once, another once, maybe 3 days, no, until it broke totally, until the ABS broke totally, and after that we have the trouble code of ABS. And now, what the solution? Not, because a lot of people will start, let's change the clutch actuator, let's change the gears actuator, gearbox, blah 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 blah. But it's not. We have problem in this situation. I have trouble code, and first I need to resolve this. And what solution? Solution to change the ABS model. You see, I have another one, Toyota. You see, ATE, and this with ASP.
Sometimes it also only ABS, but this one with ESP. And in this car I have OD 040, but I have OD 030. I install it and it's okay. I will see. I install it. It's no trouble code. Just I don't know how. I think it will okay. Yeah, you see. Don't hurry up. And what? And that's all. So I will change it. I will make the test drive. And if this video will not continue, it means that I got it. Point 10. I don't know how to say. Target. I did it. Yes. If I will install it and will some another problem, this video will not stop. Yeah. If now it will stop and no, it's mean I was right. Boom!